Chaikin oscillator was developed by Mark Chaikin and it is also an indicator of an indicator. It measures the momentum of the accumulation distribution line. Accumulation distribution line is a second derivative indicator of an on balance volume, and Chaikin oscillator is an indicator of the accumulation distribution line. So Chaikin oscillator is an third derivative indicator. Chaikin oscillator is the difference between 3-day EMA of the accumulation distribution line and the 10-day EMA of accumulation distribution line. A change in momentum is the first step to change in trend. So we can use Chaikin oscillator to get early buy and sell signals. It oscillates above and below zero line. We can go long with a positive divergence and when Chaikin oscillator crosses above zero. Similarly, we can go short when Chaikin oscillator is giving a negative divergence and crosses below zero. As it is an indicator of an indicator, so it shouldn't be used alone to get trading signals. If we combine stochastic RSI with Chaikin oscillator, then we get a great result. This is our last chart of Apple Incorporation and we are using the hourly chart for getting short-term trading signals. As the intermediate trend of this chart was uptrend, so we will ignore all sell signals and take only buy signals. Now just notice, prices are moving down here, but Chaikins is giving a positive divergence here, so we can buy the stock at this point. When prices break this downtrend line, we can buy here at the starting of this candle with a stop loss at the end of this red candle. Again we are getting a positive divergence here. You can see prices are moving in a same line, but Chaikins is giving a positive divergence here. It is moving in upside direction, so we can buy the stock when prices break this downtrend line. At this point we can buy and stop loss will be the end of this red candle. Here we set the chart on 15-minute time frame and we just take the minor trends for trading signals. We just take the minor trends for trading and we combine the stochastic RSI to Chaikin's oscillator and see how to trade for minor trends on 15-minute charts. Now see here, Chaikins is giving a positive divergence here because prices are moving down, but Chaikins is moving in upward direction. So we can buy here when Chaikins is giving a positive divergence and stochastic RSI is in oversold range. We are getting a buying signal here. We can buy here. At this point, this is the candle of our buying position and we can exit here when we get a selling signal. Now our stochastic RSI is in overbought range and we are getting a selling signal here. So by buying here, we can exit here. Again, Chaikins is giving a positive divergence because prices are at same level, but Chaikins is giving a positive divergence. So we can buy here because stochastic RSI was in oversold range and we are getting a buying signal here when Chaikins is giving a positive divergence. We can buy here at this point. This is our buying candle and we can exit here when we get a selling signal here. So this was our buying point and this is our selling point. Again, Chaikins is giving a positive divergence here. This is the point and stochastic RSI is in oversold range. We are getting a buying signal here. So we can buy here. This is our buying candle and we can exit when stochastic RSI is giving a selling signal. Now this is in overbought range. We can buy here and this is our selling signal. This is our selling signal. This is the point. We can buy here and sell here. In this way, by combining Chaikin's oscillator to stochastic RSI, we can also trade in minor trends, say 15 minutes charts. The signals are very safe and we can trade very safely in the minor trends also. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next lecture.